guys, what doing? Today we're gonna be unboxing some trucks I just got today. Want to see that, Drace? I'm gonna show them all the trucks we're gonna be unboxing. First we have Avenger, very nice. Next we have Hot Wheels, very nice. And now we have Max D, very nice. And then El Toro and Loco, very nice. Drace will be doing El Toro and Loco. Okay, first let's get Avenger cracked open. Okay, now that we have that cracked open, Avenger came with a squishy rubber car. Pretty cool, actually. And then here's the Avenger truck. Don't open that, Drace. Wait until the camera's on you. It's a very nice truck. Okay, now let's check out Hot Wheels. Alright, tear them open. Oh yes, I got the flag with it and everything.
I'll hold the camera up for you.
This flag is very, very beautiful. Okay, now, Drace, you better be a good cameraman while I'm doing this. Now, this truck is very nice. I love this truck. Okay, I love it. It's very nice, very, very nice. By the way, if you wanted to see the flag, geez, flag don't come out, does it? I like that it has a tough flag system, but it's kind of hard to get it out. It has a very nice flag. See, I love this truck. You're going to be seeing these in my videos, so. Okay, now we have Maximum Destruction in the red, white, and blue. And it comes with a stunt ramp. Those are always pretty fun. Let's get cracked open. If you don't know how to open monster trucks, then this is the place to look. Okay. Now, let's get this open. Here's the ramp it comes with. It's not very detailed at all. It's just a boring old ramp. The truck hardly fits on the ramp either. Okay. Now, here's the truck. I actually am addicted to Max D, so this is one of my favorite trucks now. Okay, now I'm cameraman for Drace. He's going to be opening El Toro and Loco. Open up. Drace, you got to show him the truck before you start opening.
I am. This is the Mr. Truck.
Okay, now open. Having trouble there?
And this comes with a red ramp, as you see here.
That's better than the white ramp we got with Max D now, isn't it?
Yeah, and this is the truck. It's nice.
Always love that new truck.
Because these two are American.
Yeah. Okay, that's our video, so hope you enjoyed.